Hello and welcome to another IT and Business unboxing video. Today we will be unboxing the Jabra Evolve 65 wireless headset. As you can see, this particular model is certified for Microsoft Teams and Skype for Business and Cortana in the event that anyone ever wants to use Cortana. So let's get it open. Seems to be micro USB, simple on off, probably needs a charge. Right, two position switch, so probably tap and hold to pair Bluetooth. Does have some controls. There's a central button and an up and a down. As you can see, that moves in and out and it's probably flexi bendable. No control on the other one. It is very, very, very light. Again, this is really just a charging station. There is no other connection on this, just straight up USB. And the headset sits on the charging station like that. So that would appear to be the Bluetooth dongle, very, very small, and a neat little carrying pack. Oh, okay, that's quite clever. It's got a little section for your Bluetooth dongle that fits in the top. Oh, there's also a rather fetching orange travel cable. So my guess is that you don't bother to put the dock in here. You just see how this goes. Oh, I see. That's quite clever. So you can actually see that folds up, and there's a magnetic clasp holding that in. So how does this? Is it going this way? Okay, and that can't twist because of that, so it must go this way. Okay, not bad. All packed away in the little Jabra travel pouch. Can probably do that slightly better, but hey ho. Travel USB. I say the orange one is probably so that you can charge and use this on the go, but we can always see if it has a charging function. But unboxing complete. These are really very light.